Did you know you can customize your vehicle's personal settings just the way you want? Let's give you some examples. In your Settings menu, you can select Doors and Locks. If you select Sound Horn with Lock, you can choose to sound the horn with either the first press of the lock button on the key fob or the second press. You can also select Off so that your horn stays silent and you don't disturb your neighbors. In that same menu, you can choose the first press of key fob unlocks feature and choose Driver Door or All Doors. Also from the Settings menu, you can select Lights and then Headlight Off Delay and choose between a 0, 30, 60, or 90-second delay before the headlights turn off after the engine has been turned off. It's a great feature that can light your way to the door at night. You can set up your vehicle your way. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.